Hello everyone, and in this video we're gonna talk about the string in Python. So let's just write the code here. We're gonna learn a couple of things about the string here, accessing how to assign a string, accessing a single character of a string, multiple characters of the string, and updating the string, and the multi-line string. So these are the things which we are about to learn in this video. Alright, so first of all we have to assign the string name. Name is equal to string. You can write a single quotation for it, for the string, and as well as the double quotation. Uncle Bob. This is the string. This is how you assign a string. And okay, you can also assign the string with the help of double quotation. Right, this is how we assign the strings. Okay, let me just print out these string first. Username what? Let me just display the string file. Okay, we just displayed these, print out these strings. Now what we're gonna learn now to access a single character of a string. Did you just remember the definition of a string? It's a collection of the characters. So we're gonna access the character with the help of index values. Okay, I want to access R from the Martin username. Okay, if you know about the array or the list, you would know what I'm talking about. So this is a 0 index, this is a 1 index, this is a 2 index. So I want to access the R from the Martin, and so I have to write its index value, and it will print out the R for me. Alright, okay, so this is how we learn the accessing a single character of a string. But I want to access the multiple character of a string. So what you need to do here is to write these square brackets. Now you have to put the range here, that from what character to what character you want to display the string. I want to start out with a 0 and end to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the 4 index value. Alright, so it would give me the uncle in return, obviously. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I think I have to write the 5 for that to get the E, obviously. Alright, this is how you can access the multiple character of a string. Okay, now I want to update my string. So how I'm about to update my string? Okay, now I want to update this these characters. I want to have the well in the place of the 10 characters. So how can I do that? I want to update my username from Martin to Marvel. So I have to do couple of changes here. So you have to write the colon and index value of the character from where you want to update your string. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Alright, from 3, and you have to add this, and I hope it will work fine. Yeah, it's working fine. I have just updated my characters from 10 to 12. This is how you can update your string. Okay, last thing is multiple line string. How can we have the multiple line string? Okay, if I just okay, I don't know what to pen here. Copy. Okay, let me just copy this here and write it here. Okay, this is giving the error. When I just hit the enter button, it is giving me the error. It is giving me the kind of error here. Okay, because I'm trying to write more than one line in a string. So that's why. How can we write the multi-line string? You have to write the 3 double quotation for the multi-line string if you want to have the multi-line string. Alright, okay, 3 username. Okay, I got it. I have to delete this to access all of the username. Now it will work fine. Now you can see your username, which is obviously the multi-line string. So this is how you can make your multi-line string, and this is all for this video. If you really find it helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.